Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. This is a dash of spices. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare, clean, and chop bitter melon. I bought this bitter melon at the Asian market here in Mesa, Arizona. I provided a link below of the 3 stores here in Arizona. I think there's more than 3, but anyways. So you clean your bitter melon like you normally clean your regular veggies. You chop the ends. Both ends goes to trash. Then you're gonna cut this half and cut the half. You'll see what our main goal here, why I'm doing this way. So I'm going to cut that half again. See that meat right there? That goes to trash. That's the goal, is to take that meat out because you don't need that. Cut this half. You could do however you want. I'm just showing you how I prepare this. I'm using a knife because I'm used to cleaning this bitter melon this way. You can use a spoon or you could just use your hands. It's really up to you. This is the easiest way for me since I'm used to it. Then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other one and to the rest of the bitter melon. This is what we call cleaning. Let's do the other half of the half and pop that meat out. See, you can use your hand. Just scrape that meat that goes to trash. So is the other one. And now I'm going to show you how I use the spoon to clean it. If you don't want to hurt yourself with a knife, use the spoon. Just dig that spoon deeper and deeper until you get that meat out. Work that spoon in, pop that meat out, and scrape it. Put those out of the trash. Same thing with the other one. I'm kind of doing it slow motion, so you'll see what I'm doing here. Pop that meat out, and it goes to trash. So I'm going to show you how I chop this. I kind of chop this 3 ways because I'm going to cook 3 recipes. The first one will be a sauteed bitter melon with egg. So this, I'm just gonna cut this half and chop them. Not too thin though. Just like that. Like that. It's really up to you, but I like it this way when I saute this with the egg. So I'm going to do the rest. I'm gonna fast forward it because this video is getting boring already. Sorry. I know there's a lot of people in there that's not familiar with bitter melon. I have a lot of friends or coworkers that are not from Asia and they don't know what bitter melon is. So this one, I'm gonna cut this tidbits like small squares because I'm going to use this when I make egg omelette. So I'll put this in the middle before I flip the omelette. That's the tidbits. The next one, well, we'll cut this again. I'll show this to you again. So it's really up to you, but this is how I chop mine when I make an egg omelette with bitter melon. There's also that sauteed bitter melon with egg. It's like a scrambled egg basically with bitter melon, but I'm not using a traditional Filipino recipe. I kind of make my own version. That one is I cook it lengthwise, like longer, because I'm going to use this to make some sauteed veggies like okra, butternut squash, eggplant. We call that dish pinakbet, but I make my own version of pinakbet. I don't put like fish sauce because my husband don't like fish sauce, and my daughter too. That's the only way they could eat this type of dish if I omit the fish sauce. And there you go. Those are chopped bitter melon. I hope you learned something from this video. I know for those ones that from Asia, it's pretty easy. But those ones that are new about bitter melon, you just heard about bitter melon and you don't know how to prep them, as I know there's a lot of friends of mine don't know how to prepare this weird veggies. Well, this is the video is all about. And please check out my other video. It shows the benefits of the bitter melon, why bitter melon is so important when you have diabetes. In Asia, it's proven bitter melon is the best natural way to control your sugar level and also your cholesterol. It just have a lot of benefits, so check out that other video. And I'm just going to bag this and put it in the fridge. And I cook this within 5 days. I don't normally let it sit because then the vitamin and mineral is like it's because then it starts getting watery and you don't want the mold in it. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please check out another video of mine. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one, everybody.